Every drive exposes your vehicle to the unexpected. Rocks, road debris, parking lot damage. It adds up fast. Compass Care Vehicle Protection helps keep your vehicle looking its best for years to come. Choose the protection you need or bundle coverage for complete peace of mind. Windshield Repair covers chips and cracks caused by road debris, with convenient service at your dealership or a preferred location. Cosmetic Wheel Repair restores alloy and steel wheels using advanced repair and refinishing processes. Dent and Ding Protection removes minor dents without affecting your factory finish, using proven paintless repair techniques. With up to 7 years of coverage, with no mileage limitations during that period, Compass Care helps retain your vehicle's value over time. Compass Care Vehicle Protection. Because it's not just about driving, it's about keeping your vehicle looking like new.